Ever wondered how our bodies wage war against diseases? It's an epic battle fought invisibly within us every day. Our body's defense system, the immune system, is a complex and fascinating network. A key understanding of this system can help us appreciate how we fight diseases. Central to this battle are the white blood cells, the body's microscopic soldiers, and antibodies, our special weapons. So are you ready to explore this unseen battlefield? Now let's dive into the world of our microscopic warriors, the white blood cells. White blood cells, our body's soldiers, are always on the lookout for invaders. These valiant protectors come in various types, each with a unique role. Some, like the neutrophils, are the first responders, rushing to the site of infection. Others, the lymphocytes, are the strategists, identifying, attacking, and eliminating pathogens. Most intriguing is the process of phagocytosis, where macrophages, another type of white blood cell, literally engulf and destroy the intruders. But our immune system has more than just these soldiers. It also has a special weapon: antibodies. Antibodies, our body's special weapon, target invaders with precision. Picture a factory churning out custom-made keys designed to unlock specific doors. That's what our bodies do when they produce antibodies. Each antibody is tailored to recognize and latch onto a specific pathogen, rendering it helpless and marking it for destruction. Moreover, our bodies also create memory cells in this process, which remember the pathogen, allowing us to swiftly neutralize it if it dares to return. Our bodies are equipped with an impressive system to keep us safe, isn't it? So, to sum up, our immune system is our personal army against disease. It's a complex network of cells and proteins, with white blood cells and antibodies as the main players. White blood cells are the soldiers, patrolling our body for harmful invaders, while antibodies are our special weapons, designed to recognize and neutralize specific pathogens. Remember, every sneeze, every fever, every runny nose is a testament to your body's relentless fight against invaders. So the next time you fall sick, give a thought to your body's microscopic warriors, working tirelessly to get you back on your feet.